Craving something warm, fluffy, and comforting, but don't feel like turning on the oven? This yellow mug cake is buttery, soft, and ready in just a couple of minutes. Perfect for when that cake craving hits out of nowhere. The best part? You don't need fancy tools or baking skills. Just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave, made right in your favorite cup. Let's make it together. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives your cake its soft, tender structure. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder so the cake rises nicely, and just a pinch of salt. Give everything a quick whisk so the baking powder is evenly distributed. That way your cake turns out fluffy instead of dense. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of milk. This brings moisture and keeps the cake light. Add 1 tablespoon of melted butter, or neutral oil if you prefer, for richness, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic yellow cake flavor. Stir it all together until smooth and lump-free. Make sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the mug so every bit of flour mixes in. That's the secret to a perfectly even cake. Microwave the mug for about 75 to 90 seconds, depending on your microwave's power. Let's cool down this cake for a minute. While we wait, we'll prepare a quick frosting. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar with 1/2 teaspoon of melted butter, and add 1 teaspoon milk. Mix it well until smooth and creamy, and adjust the milk if needed to get the perfect spreading consistency. Spread this frosting over your mug cake, then finish with a sprinkle of colorful sprinkles for that fun, party-ready touch. Add a little extra on top if you like. The more sprinkles, the more festive it looks. And there you go. A warm, buttery yellow mug cake that's fluffy, fast, and totally satisfying. The perfect single-serve treat whenever you need a quick pick-me-up. Try this easy mug cake and thank me later. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.